how to create a playlist on Spotify. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you through the steps on how you can create a playlist on Spotify, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you would like to create a playlist on Spotify, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Spotify application here. And once you launch the Spotify app, you will set this type of interface where what you need to do is you need to tap the Your Library option from the here or this option here. Once you tap the Your Library option from bottom right, you'll find the plus icon from the very top right hand side. So when you tap the plus icon here, you'll find the playlist option, and when you tap the playlist option, you should be able to give this playlist a name and then just tap the create option to create that particular playlist. And that's all it takes to create a playlist on Spotify. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.